So I do believe that this unit does have a leak, and 99% of the time we do find our leaks here in the coil, this evaporator coil, and you can see how much rust is on the actual aluminum part of this coil. And that rust basically eats away at the metal little by little over time, and then eventually starts to leak. That's how we start getting leaks here. And I think I actually do hear a little hissing.
I do hear it, and it's been off for a long time. Yeah, there's a leak in that coil. It's really dirty too.
Really dirty.
Yeah. Oh man, I can hear it.
It's right here somewhere. I'm gonna get my soap bubbles.
All right.